Jojo. Jojo. Big trimming job, so we're gonna trim back the ivy about 1/2 foot. Okay, where it's accessible from the ground. I will clean the edges. Trim. Clean the edges about 1/2 foot. Shape some of the shrubs away from the power line. Do a light prune. Rake the garden bed. Trim lightly this shrub away from the roof line. Trim shrub lightly. Trim shrub lightly. Trim shrub lightly. Trim some of these weeds. Trim a little bit. Trim these down to the ground level. Use a weed whack or a trimmer machine to ground level. So just trim. Okay, the basic trimming. Basic trimming. Basic trimming. Grass stays. Trim a little bit of the ivy as well. Okay?